Hello and welcome to this video. Today, friends, I will show with you step by step how to open bank account in Banco Popolare di Sondrio, Italia. So go to Google, search this term of keyword. As you can see here, click the first result here. You will see this page. Go to private individual, choose currency accounts. You have multiple accounts or choose any one you want to open. For example, online accounts. Choose this one. From here, you have this information. Click on to access your account. You should be make a request information from here. So from here, friends, write your all details, such your name and surname and your city, phone number, email. In the request, write the simple message. I want to create accounts for this, as you can see here, for this type. Write your type of account here and then write your ID card or have term and conditions. Click on not robot and then write apply from here. So this is how you can do, friends. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.